Hello students, today I am going to explain a very important topic, unary operator, because in board examination either 2 or 4 marks will be there, two question will be there of 2 marks. This is based on the unary operator. As name suggests, unary operator means which operates on a single operand. What is single operand? C. Plus y. So y is operand and plus is unary operator. Minus y. Here y is operand. Y is operand and minus is operator. Plus m is operand, plus is operator. Minus is operator, m is operand. So this works with a single operand, and as we know that suppose you have write x plus y, so x and y two operand is there, so this plus is operator but it's not a unary operator. Why? Because it works with a two operand, but unary operator always will work with a single operand. Okay, so single operand means unary operator. Now types, if you will see the types, so unary plus, unary minus, unary increment, unary decrement. What is this plus? What do you mean with by this plus? Suppose I wrote plus 6, no any changes, so output will be 6 only. It means unary plus is used before the variable to keep its sign unchanged. Suppose the value of is minus 6. So I wrote plus minus 6. No any changes equals to minus 6. But unary minus is used to change the and reverse the sign of operand. Suppose minus 6 is there and I wrote minus 6. So minus 6 is the value which will combine minus and it will become now plus 6. So minus sign or unary minus works with a single operand which change the sign, and unary plus works with a single operand which don't change the sign. That much only. It will not going to come in your examination, but the important thing is what we have to learn about the unary increment and unary decrement. Plus means plus 1 and minus means minus 1. So let's see what is this unary increment and unary decrement. Unary increment, suppose I wrote x plus plus or plus plus x. In one column I wrote x plus plus and in other column we wrote plus x. So after the operand, after the variable, if you write the unary or increment operator, it will be called postfix. It is called postfix, and this one is called prefix. If you write plus after the operand, so it will be called postfix, and before the operand, it will be called prefix. Now, what is the difference between postfix and prefix? That only you have to understand. If you are using postfix or prefix without any third assignment operator or without any assignment operator, then there are no any difference between postfix and prefix. But if you are using this with the assignment operator, then there will be the changes. How? Let's see. Suppose the value of x is 10. So x plus plus, the value of x is 10, and then by 1 it will increase. So x plus 1 it will be 11. Plus x, the value of x is 10. So first it will increase the value, then only it will print. So 11. Now see, without any third variable, no any changes between the postfix and prefix. But if we will use this like y equals to x plus plus and y equals to plus plus x. I'm using this postfix and this prefix with the assignment operator equals to. Now here in the output you will get the changes. Where the postfix operator it first assign the value, then after increase the value. It first assign the value, then after it increase the value. It first increase the value, then after it assign it here. So in this case, the value of x will increase first, so it will be 11 first, then after it will be stored in y. But here it will assign the value of x, that is 10. 10 will be stored in y first, then after the value of x will be 11. So here value of y is 10 and x is 11, and here y is 11 and x is also 11. What is the difference that you understood? If you are using unary operator with assignment operator, then there will be the changes, because postfix in postfix it first assign the value, then after increase the value, and here it first increase the value, then after assign the value. And in the case of minus minus also it will be the same, only suppose I wrote here minus minus, so it will be 9 and here it will be 9, and here also it will assign the value of x to y, so y will be 10 only, but x will be 9 because here it is minus minus. In this case it will first decrease the value of x by 1, so it will be 9, and then after it will ascend. So value of y is 9 and value of x is also. This is all about the postfix and postfix. First it will assign the value, then increase, and prefix first it will increase the value, then assign. So this is all about the unary increment and decrement. Now see some example that which type of question will come in your examination. The question will be like this, that if a equals to 12, b equals to 8, find the value of this. This is the arithmetic assignment operator, shorthand operator you can say also. So what will be the here a equals to the same meaning. Either you can write this or a equals to a into plus plus a by 6 plus b plus plus modulo 3. Here only the changes is what? A equals to a into plus a. So plus a, b plus unary operator is used here. So the value of a is what? 12. I will write here 12 and into the prefix. So first it will increase the value. So 12 plus 1, 13 by 6 plus b plus the value of b is what? 8. So it is the postfix. So first it will assign. Assign means what? The value of b will be 8 only. Then after it will increase the value of b. So 8 modulo 3. 8. The value of b is 8. So 8 modulo 3. Why? Because it is postfix. In postfix, it will first print the value, then after increase. After printing, it increasing the value. So now you can check here 12 into 6 2. So 2 plus what is the remainder when you will divide? 2 will be the remainder, 6 will be deducted and 2. So 2 will be remainder. So now see 2 plus 2 4 and 12 into 4 equals to 48. So what will be the output? 48 will be the output of this. Like that only you can solve. So here what I have done, plus a by 6. It means it is the prefix, so it will first increase the value. It is a postfix, so it will first assign and then after it will. Next question, it may come like this, that a minus equals to plus a plus 4. So it is similar to a equals to a minus plus a plus plus 4. The value of a is 8. Now 8, put the value now. 8 is the prefix, so it will be 9 plus is the postfix, so value of a is what? 9 only plus 4. Now 9 9 18 4 22. 8 minus 22. 22 minus 8, that is minus 14 will be the answer. Now see, so this type of question you can easily solve by using the unary operator concept, prefix and postfix. In prefix, it will first increase the value, then after assign, and this it will first assign. So in the parenthesis, first put the value like a 8, so plus a 9. Now a. So after here, the compiler will come here. So the value of a will already increase 9. So again here it will be 9 and then plus 9 and plus at last 4. So plus 4 and then 14 will be. So this type of question you can solve using the unary operator.